Feeling constantly tired, even after a full night's rest, is a common experience. This state, often described as persistent fatigue, is different from normal sleepiness. While sleepiness is the desire to sleep, fatigue is a profound lack of energy and motivation. Understanding the potential factors behind this feeling is an important part of recognizing its impact on daily life. One area of clinical observation is the quality of sleep, not just the quantity. Sleep architecture, the cyclical pattern of sleep stages, is crucial for restorative rest. During deep sleep and REM sleep, the body undertakes critical repair and memory consolidation. Disruptions to this cycle, even if a person remains asleep for 7 or 8 hours, can prevent these restorative processes from completing. Factors like inconsistent sleep schedules can interfere with the body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm. This internal clock regulates the sleep-wake cycle, and when it's desynchronized, it can lead to feelings of being unrefreshed upon waking, regardless of the hours spent in bed. Another consideration involves micronutrient levels. Nutrients like iron, vitamin B12, and vitamin D play integral roles in energy production and oxygen transport within the body. When iron levels are low, oxygen delivery can be less efficient, leading to feelings of exhaustion. Similarly, vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell formation and neurological function. A deficiency can result in a specific type of anemia that causes fatigue and weakness. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is also linked to energy. Its receptors are found in muscle tissue, and low levels have been associated with muscle fatigue and general tiredness. The body's hormonal systems are also closely tied to energy regulation. The thyroid gland, located in the neck, produces hormones that control metabolism, the rate at which the body converts food into energy. When the thyroid gland is underactive, a condition known as hypothyroidism, it doesn't produce enough of these hormones. This can slow down metabolic processes, leading to symptoms that include significant fatigue, weight gain, and a feeling of sluggishness. Conversely, an overactive thyroid, or hyperthyroidism, can also cause fatigue by over-revving the body's systems, leading to a crash. The adrenal glands are another part of this complex system. They produce cortisol, a hormone that helps regulate the body's response to stress and also influences the sleep-wake cycle. Dysregulation in cortisol production, whether too high or too low, can disrupt normal energy patterns and contribute to a state of chronic tiredness. Physical activity levels have a paradoxical relationship with energy. While it might seem counterintuitive, a sedentary lifestyle can perpetuate a cycle of fatigue. Regular, moderate physical activity improves circulation and increases the efficiency of the heart, lungs, and muscles. This enhances the body's ability to use oxygen and produce energy at the cellular level. When a person is inactive for long periods, their body can become deconditioned. Simple tasks may require more effort, leading to quicker exhaustion. Conversely, overexercising without adequate recovery can also lead to profound fatigue. Overtraining syndrome is a state where the body is pushed beyond its ability to recover, resulting in a performance decline and a persistent sense of exhaustion. Mental and emotional states are also deeply interconnected with physical energy levels. Periods of prolonged psychological stress can trigger the body's fight-or-flight response, leading to a continuous release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While this response is useful for short-term threats, chronic activation can deplete the body's energy reserves. This can lead to a state commonly referred to as burnout, characterized by feelings of emotional exhaustion, detachment, and a reduced sense of personal accomplishment. The brain uses a significant amount of the body's energy. Constant worry, mental exertion, or emotional processing can be just as draining as physical labor, leaving a person feeling mentally and physically spent, even without significant physical activity. The hydration status of the body is another fundamental factor. Water is involved in nearly every biological function, including nutrient transport and energy production. Even mild dehydration can cause a noticeable drop in energy levels, cognitive function, and mood. When the body is dehydrated, blood volume can decrease. This forces the heart to pump harder to deliver oxygen and nutrients to cells, which is an energy-intensive process. This extra strain can lead to a feeling of fatigue. Many people may not realize they are mildly dehydrated throughout the day, which can contribute to a persistent, low-grade feeling of tiredness. Furthermore, dietary patterns influence energy stability. The type and timing of food intake matter. Diets high in refined carbohydrates and simple sugars can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by sharp crashes. This roller coaster effect on blood glucose levels can lead to fluctuating energy and periods of lethargy. In contrast, A diet balanced with complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats provides a more sustained release of energy. Complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains and vegetables, are broken down more slowly, preventing drastic blood sugar swings. Protein helps with satiety and muscle repair, while healthy fats are another source of long-lasting energy. Consistent meal timing also helps regulate blood sugar and maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Underlying health conditions are another significant consideration for healthcare professionals when they evaluate persistent fatigue. For example, conditions affecting heart function can reduce the efficiency of blood circulation, meaning less oxygen reaches the muscles and organs, causing fatigue. Chronic kidney disease can lead to a buildup of toxins in the blood and can also cause anemia, both of which are major contributors to tiredness. Unmanaged diabetes can cause fatigue due to high or low blood sugar levels. Other chronic conditions, such as fibromyalgia or chronic fatigue syndrome, are defined by profound, long-lasting exhaustion that isn't relieved by rest. Sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, is a major cause of daytime fatigue because it severely fragments sleep and reduces oxygen levels. It is also worth noting the impact of the surrounding environment. Exposure to natural light, particularly in the morning, helps to properly set the body's circadian rhythm, promoting wakefulness during the day and sleepiness at night. Spending too much time indoors, away from natural light, can disrupt this rhythm. The quality of the air we breathe can also play a role. Poor indoor air quality, with high levels of pollutants or carbon dioxide, can affect respiratory function and overall feelings of well-being, potentially contributing to lethargy. In summary, the sensation of being tired despite adequate rest is a complex issue with many potential contributing factors. It is not simply about the number of hours slept. The quality of that sleep, nutritional status, hormonal balance, physical activity levels, and mental well-being all play interconnected roles. Furthermore, hydration, dietary habits, and underlying health conditions can significantly influence a person's energy levels. Recognizing that fatigue is a multifaceted symptom is the first step in understanding its origins. It highlights the intricate interplay between the body's various systems, where an imbalance in one area can have far-reaching effects on overall vitality. For individuals experiencing persistent and unexplained fatigue, a comprehensive evaluation by a medical professional can help identify the specific factors at play and provide a clearer picture of their health status.